Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, now arriving at the Ramlila Maidan, the stage over there, being greeted by the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who is accompanied by the Deputy CMs, as you can see, Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde in attendance. Prime Minister, in fact, exchanging greetings with the three of them. He is, in fact, now moving on and greeting the rest of them. In fact, all of the BJP ruled state leaders are very much there in attendance. You can see Prime Minister also greeting Pawan Kalyan over there. You all know that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu is also very much present, as are various other union ministers in attendance. As you can see, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, in fact, flanking the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, is exchanging greetings with the Prime Minister. And in attendance now is Rajnath Singh, the Raksha Mantri, along with the Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah. Prime Minister, in fact, waving over there at the stage. You can expect the swearing in. It's a historic moment for BJP and for all of Delhi. Let's also listen into what's happening.
खड़े रहेंगे क्योंकि अब समय है कुछ ही पलों में, और इस अवसर पर इस मंच की बाईं तरफ विशेष मंच जहां संतगण की गरिमामयी उपस्थिति है, उनका भी अभिनंदन वंदन माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय की ओर से। देवी सज्जनों, राष्ट्रगान के लिए आइए, हम सब अपने अपने स्थान पर खड़े रहेंगे राष्ट्रगान के लिए। अभी थोड़ा सा वक्त है और उस वक्त तक।
All right, so the national anthem all set to take place, and then the secretary to LG will be seeking permission from governor to now commence the oath-taking ceremony, which should happen any time from now. Let's in fact quickly go across to Arun Dhata, who's also currently stationed at Ramlila Maidan. Arun, tell us now what happens, in how much time should we expect the oath ceremony to take place? Arun, can you hear me?
Well, I'm not able to hear your question.
Arun, if you can take us through what's happening and what happens next.
The visuals that I see in front of me is that Prime Minister Modi has arrived at the venue, the historic Ramlila Maidan. In fact, LG Vijay Kumar Saxena is also there because he is somebody who will be, of course, administering that oath to Rekha Gupta and also the 6 other cabinet ministers. So after the national anthem, which is going to start in few minutes from now, you will see that the oath-taking process will start, and this will be, of course, step in the government formation. And once you have this oath-taking ceremony completed, then we will see that government in functioning, and perhaps that the first cabinet meeting is going to be something which is very, very important, because many are focusing on that meeting. BJP has been saying multiple things during the campaign time that in the first cabinet meeting if they'll come to power, do this thing. So Yamuna cleaning is something which is going to be the high priority for them, and you will see something related to that will be reflected in that first cabinet. And secondly, of course, the Ayushman Yojana, which BJP has been saying that Aam Aadmi Party in fact denied that scheme in Delhi, and therefore they will be bringing that back in Delhi in the first cabinet. 2,500 all the women of the economically weaker section in Delhi. That is something which will also be reflected in the first cabinet meeting. And in fact, we are given to understand that all the 7 cabinet ministers, including the chief minister, will likely go to the Yamuna tonight itself, because Yamuna is something which BJP made a very, very sensitive issue, on which perhaps Aam Aadmi Party also realized that they lost the support of the people in Delhi, due to which they lost the election. So I think that's something which high priority agenda for BJP. The cleaning of Yamuna is concerned. In that regard, we've seen that
आप सभी से अनुरोध है, आप सभी अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठें, अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। और अब मैं अनुरोध करूंगा।
All right, in some minutes from now, expect the swearing-in ceremony to take place as Prime Minister Narendra Modi very much on stage over there, and seated next to him is the Chief Minister designate Rekha Gupta, who we all know has also served as the General Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party. She is the National Vice President of the BJP Mahila Morcha. Rekha Gupta also won the Shalimar Bagh Assembly. She's someone who's in fact been an advocate as well, also a very significant RSS hand, as she was also part of the Sangh's student wing, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Expect Rekha Gupta now to, in fact, be sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Delhi any time from now. Let's quickly go back to Arun, who continues to stay with us. Arun, you were taking us through what will be the high priorities of the first cabinet meet under Rekha Gupta that takes place now. Take us through the kind of challenges ahead for the New Delhi government, because we know that Yamuna cleanup is one of them. At the same time, Delhi is also staring at budgetary deficit. How will the Bharatiya Janata Party or the government now ensure that all those promises are delivered?
892 राष्ट्रपति मुख्यमंत्री की सलाह पर निम्नलिखित को राष्ट्रीय राजधानी क्षेत्र में अपने पदों के शपथ लेने की स्थिति से
Arun, if you could give us a sense of all the challenges ahead. All right, we'll try and take those discussions forward with Chetan Bhagat and Ravi Srivastava. Chetan, I think the biggest challenge right now is going to be how to deliver upon all those welfare schemes and how the government will ensure that all those promises are delivered, apart from the Yamuna cleanup, which, as we all know, has already begun.
So there are two challenges always for a political party. One challenge is to do the governance, which you just talked about, cleaning the Yamuna, delivering on schemes. But the second challenge also is to make sure, and I think that's especially how the BJP thinks, that they are there for a long time. And I think one of the challenges is to make sure people in Delhi forget AAP. I mean, I'm not saying whether it's good or bad. I'm not like taking any sides, but I'm saying if AAP has been a very unique kind of experiment in Delhi. It won